Actually, we plan to conduct workshops to our students on the latest technologies like AI and tools. Finally, we got mentally organization. And our students participated the workshop.
I'm Shravani, third BTech, DNR College of Engineering Technology. AI tools generative AI మీద మాకు workshop జరిగింది.
In the students workshop, we have learned many tools regarding generative AI, and we have created a website and app development, so which is so innovative and creative. Previously, we don't know how to create a website by using some tools, but they guided us how to make and create some exciting applications and websites,
and it is very useful to our job and career. We enjoyed it and we learned so much from it.
We actually like the way you provide the communication with the students. It is very friendly and openly to say, I really loved it and I'm damn sure I can use it furtherly in my future resumes.
I am very happy to attend this workshop.
And I learned very lot of new things.
It is very useful.
I'm very glad to learn about new AI technologies, and I learned how to create a website.
They tried from the concepts, and our students developed apps and designed websites in the presence of the mentally resource persons. We took the MOU with them, and we will continue our association with them in the coming future to give better knowledge and better future to our students.
And we really thank you for giving us a lot of information.
So I'm thankful to Mentorly AI, expecting more workshops from this team. Thank you, Mentorly.